Okay, so before moving to the next video, there is something I missed in the last session. If you see here, when we are printing that content in the decreasing order of their length, this looks like it is having around 75 character long. So length of this line is 74. This is coming on third position, and where we are expecting this line to be on top. Okay, so because this seems 75 character long, so this is happening because of spacing in these lines. Okay, so there is a lot of white space which is moving, which is shifting the content in the way that it is not giving the output that we are expecting here. So what we can do while writing the content into the collection, I will make it trim. Okay, so if you make it trim, it will remove the white spaces from beginning and ending. Then it will print the actual line in the file where it will compare in the correct order. So let's run it and see the content. Yeah, so this is what we are expecting here. So top line, it is with the maximum length. Okay, so the length of this line is say 67, because 68 is the next character. At the end, if you see, there are a lot of spaces that we leave in the file, right? That is kind of a new line, like this, like this, like this. So those things will come at last because their length is 0. Okay, so this content is coming length as 0. So that's all about it. So let's move to the Java threading.